Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off and turn on all notifications on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and now click notification and sounds, and here as you see you will find it here on. Click on it. Here you can choose any option here, and that's it. And you can turn it off like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.